Hey guys, there is this new task that's been going on Story Protocol on the Binance wallet. So let me quickly show you how you can participate in that. Before we proceed for that, I just want to make sure that I just want you guys to make sure that you have some money in your Binance Web3 wallet. Either it's 0.01 Ethereum or zero point zero 0.01 of BNB. So in my wallet, as you can see, I have some BNB, which is 0.02. So this is more than enough for me. That is one of the criteria. So once you have that, you can proceed. I'll quickly show you. It's fairly simple tasks. All you have to do is go over here, exclusive airdrops, and then click on the quest 2, which is for 444,000 something coins that has been distributed. So just click on join now, and once you do that, I have already completed the tasks, but I'll quickly show you how you have to do it. So it's fairly simple. So to begin with, you have to connect your Twitter account. It will ask for authorization. Just click on OK. It should show somewhere over here. So after that, just follow them on Twitter. So let me show you. Just go ahead and click on view task, follow, and once you do that, come back and click on here. You will have an option called verify. So once you click that, it will show completed. So like that, I have completed almost. It's all similar. You have to follow, repost. So again, this one is like this is a post that they want to repost. So all you have to do is go click on repost, and that's it. You're done, and click on verify, and the task is completed. So all these 5 tasks are very similar, right? I'll come for the last task. This one is a little different, but I'll quickly show you how you can do that as well. Okay, click on view task. It will take you to this website over here, and once you're here, you have to connect your wallet, connect your Binance wallet, and then the step 1 is to get the faucet tokens. Click on get tokens, and once you click that, it will take you to this website, and again you have to connect your wallet here and verify and claim. Click on claim tokens. I have already claimed. You're allowed to claim only one IP every 24 hours, so that's there. And once you click on claim tokens, you will have that IP token, and then come here, watch the video. Just click on this one and watch the video, and after that you have to answer the question which they have asked here. Why does AI need programmable IP? You'll have the answer in the video, but I'm just going to make it easier for you. Just click on the first option. That's the answer. And the last one is to mint this badge. Go ahead and click on mint. Just click on mint. Sorry about that. Just you'll have that mint option over here, and then click on claim badge. So that's it, it's done. So once you complete it, come here, verify you completed the task. And once you're done all this, you can go ahead and do the quest 1. Why I want you guys to complete this quest 2 first is you will the last one is basically they want you to complete the quest 2 in order to complete this one. So again, follow, go view task, follow them. It's fairly simple. Once they are done, all the follow and repost, click on this one and click on view task, and all you got to do is come. It will, like I said, it will take you to the quest 2. So the task is basically you have to complete either the quest 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it is. And so that's it. Once that's done, you are good to go ahead with you are eligible for the airdrop. So yeah, that's about it. It's fairly simple, but do make sure that you have some BNB in your wallet. Yeah, that's about it. You make sure you have some BNB, or Ethereum in your wallet. And if you have it, you have been doing other tasks, this one should be fairly easy for you. So that's about it. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Bye.